You know what it is. Here's another video chart breakdown for FTM. Once again, this is not financial advice. This is just me telling you what I see on the charts. Okay, so bam, look at that. So to date was extremely bullish for FTM, which gives signs that we found support. We can definitively say that support was found right here off this level on the daily. Okay, drop down to the 12 hour. You see that? 4 hour, let's zoom in a bit more. So we just broke above this lower high. Okay, so what I'm seeing here is, I told you I wanted to see it above here, but now that we got this double bottom almost, so to say, and with a break of resistance to the left, aka the most recent lower high, I would say that we're starting to see some good bullish behavior from FTM. Okay, so like I said, this was a lower high. So what I would want to see now is some sort of retest occur, or aka a higher low forming on the 1 hour on this chart right here, to show that because I'm sure if I go down to the 15-minute, you would see that we're in an uptrend. Okay, this is broken. We're in an uptrend on the 15-minute. If we go to the 30-minute, yeah, right. But we want it for the trend to start to continue or start to move bullishly, then that's the type of movement we have to see. We have to see the trend change on the 5-minute, the 15-minute, the 30-minute, right, and work its way up. Because now when it starts to change on the 1 hour and the 4 hour, then that's when we have those huge moves, because each time frame basically gets its retest. And sometimes, but sometimes, don't get me wrong, when there's catalyst from the news or fundamentally, all that shit is out the window. That just rockets, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, anyway, what I'll be waiting for to be able to enter this trade for a buy is, I'll be looking on the 1 hour, maybe in the 30-minute. You could track on the 30-minute, but look on the 1 hour. The 1 hour, we should be getting some sort of retest. You know, you could probably take advantage of this retest if you go on the 15-minute and catch some bullish reason after it has found some support to prove that it's ready to go back up to the upside. Yeah, and in 30 minutes the daily candle will be closing unless something crazy happen. I can see it's probably gonna close something like this where it's at right now, right? Not to mention this is a bullish engulfing candle, a very strong bullish engulfing candle with a little bit of a wick to the upside. So I'm looking for bullish action. You feel me? I'm looking for bullish action. 3.2, I'm calling it. It is today is the 11th of January. I'd say when the bullish market hits, you probably may hit 3.7. That's 3.7. Yep, 3.7. I can see hitting all-time highs. With this type of move, like, come on, see, we're in an uptrend now. This is in the golden zone for some people who look for that move. That's a confluence off of support, off of daily support, right? Weekly, let's see what the weekly saying. Okay, this candle, it doesn't mean stuff can't happen, but it's concerning. Not concerning, but it gives me, it doesn't make the chart as clean, if that makes sense, right? So what I would have to see is this candle have to close at this now, the weekly, and then if we print another one similar, then yeah, that means we could see, if it does that, then we could see probably at least this level here at the end of January. Okay, but price may move a bit sloppily to get here because of this candle. Depend on next week's candle, then okay. But that's just what I'm saying. Anything could happen. This is just me going off what I've seen before. But all that, first and foremost, we gotta see a higher low form on the 1 hour and the 4 hour, confirming breaks of trend to the upside, confirming the start of the uptrend, aka the break of this downtrend. Because price definitely was in a downtrend on the 4 hour. Okay, he definitely was in. So yeah, so in any instance, remember I said I would only buy if this is the break of the trend line, right? So now for me to get in, I would need the higher low to then form. So that's my FTM analysis. Hope you liked it. Smash the like button. See you guys tomorrow.